Good morning, welcome to 2 on Thursday the 17th of July. This is Kim Watson speaking for Ezeetrader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first. As you can see, yesterday we sold it. We continued to sell off from the previous day, and it ran through, and it's getting pretty close to these prior lows here now that we saw in early June. Now, once again, there is a significant amount of options sitting below roundabout. We've already broken through a couple of the key levels where there's some significant numbers. The biggest number sits around this 135 area. Sits down here, and so it'll be interesting to see if we actually run into the area, and maybe we'll find some support with the prior lows here. If it does start breaking through this area and get any sort of acceleration, it'll be interesting to see what happens from there. As I say, there's quite a lot of support around that area. Okay, so that's the sort of support area. In normal technical analysis, I would expect possibly some sort of bounce around these prior lows here, although they've been that level's been tested a few times, but we'll see what happens here. There is an intraday target we would have today, just purely on the basis of the daily pivot there. So intraday target would be around about 135, 38, 39 area. Just looking at that 4 hourly, and actually we've been diverging on the hourly basis here, and I believe the 4 hourly basis slightly, but the price is still sliding its way down there. So very bearish at the moment. Okay, looking at the pound dollar, once again, it is just running flat. Since yesterday's price action, it's moved very little. If we come back to the dailies, and so yesterday's price action, it was actually Tuesday's price action. Since then, yesterday, it was very much an inside day, and we're just running here with barely any movement at the moment. So it's a very difficult call when it's like this. There's no trend in either direction on the short term or even on the dailies, let alone the intraday basis. So you just got to watch what actually happens here. Any sort of break, actually, what we'll be looking at when it's like this is a break of this sort of downward trend here. A decent break of that may provide us an upside opportunity. To the downside, well, really we just need to, it's almost the opposite here. Oops, badly drawn line there, sorry. It's almost the opposite here, and the break, looking for a break of the lows there, but it's such a steep angle. Well, could happen, and maybe we get back down towards the prior lows, sit around about 171.03 rather. Okay, that's it for me. Have a good one. Bye for now.